Hello, Tiara here. So I'm kind of skipping over a couple of months worth of Mercy Tiara kits, but as soon as this one came, this is from Winter Glow, I had to use it immediately. So I actually got a lot done this weekend, and I can't believe how much I got done and how different each layout looks. So this is the first one I did. It was... So the title is So Much Fun at Grandma's. I used, these are from the Simple Stories Winter, it was the ad on the Winter Vibes, no, Kitty, no, what is it called? Where is it? It was the 6x8 pad that was an ad on this month. Anyway, so, the stickers there. Everything is pretty much from the kit. I started cutting a circle for this, and this was from a sketch. Kitty, can you not? Now what one was it? I want to say it was a Scrap a sketch. I'll have to look it up and link it below, but it was one of the recent ones. Shoot, that's awful that I didn't write that down. Okay, well, I'm gonna put it in the comments. These are pictures that I found when I was going through stuff, so they're not the best pictures, but it's still a nice nice memory. I was cutting this circle, and I kind of lost my, so it ended up being kind of a spiral. So I popped up like just part of it just to make it look intentional. And I've mentioned that part of what I'm doing this year is I've got a couple of bins, and I'm just, when I get done a layout, I go to my bin and I have to add something on, and I can't go to the other bin. Like, I'll switch the bins every so often, but I have to find something out of here to use. So for this one, I was kind of stuck, but I used three red little doohickeys. Better than nothing, right? It's not great, but it's better than nothing. There's cat hair all over this kitty cat. Goodness sakes. Okay, so that's one. The next thing I did was, oh, I can't think of her name now. I'm like totally brain dead today. She's doing the 52 favorite photos, 52 layouts or whatever. So basically every week you do a favorite photo. A couple of the gals had done, or they're going to do a 6x8 album, so that's what I decided I would do. So this is my first foray into doing one of these on my own. I used 3 of the cards from the page card. Oh my goodness, I'm so not with it. What are these called? Pocket page cards. So did nothing with that one. This one has my journaling. So it's about the cat. So we're in the new house and the cat's finding different spots to lay. This is him looking down the hallway. He just lays right in the middle of it on the edge of that mat. Bizarre. Everything else is from the Winter Glow collection. Nope, I'm lying. So I put a few sequins or confetti around some of the stickers. This yes, this important, and then this moment is from an Ellie Studio pack that I've lost the baggie now, but it was in this. So the colors worked really nice. This I would have liked to have stapled on the outside, but I haven't done the next week, so then that would have screwed that up. So it's just using double-sided tape, so it should stick pretty well. But I was pretty happy with that. I don't do pocket scrapbooking really, so I was happy with my first go at it. This one is one that a picture I took just before Christmas out walking around one day. It was actually the day that Tracy showed this kit in the Patreon group. So I was like, oh, I gotta go out and take pictures. And the snow had fallen the night before. It was just beautiful. So this again, it's another Scrap a Sketch. I'm gonna have to link they're from the Facebook group. They're not the paid ones. So I'm gonna link the number and the Facebook group so you can go and check that out. But yeah, just having fun with all the bits. I made a couple of tags. These little letters are from that same Simple Stories book. So the title's Winter Snapshot. I used a bunch of the film strips, well, 2, and they cut them. So, and then I used, where did I put that now? Ding dang dong. The Prima watercolors that I think they're still in the Mercy Tiara store, but just the white one. So I don't know if you can tell. I thought it was a nice mix with the acrylic snowflakes. And then these little gems are from, I think I have another one here, or maybe it was out of the other box. I want to say I just got them maybe at the dollar store or something, and they were just lines of clear gems. So I cut them apart, and it really does give a little bit of oomph to it, you know what I mean? So I'm happy with that one. Then we get into some 2-pagers. This one is that same day walking around outside, and I still have several to do. So I made 3 shaker pockets. Got a film strip there, little bits there, one across the base here, lots of confetti. And then for my extra bit from my basket there, it was my Mind's Eye little 4x6 card, and it had a saying on part of it, and then the bottom part was wood grain. So all I did was I chopped up the wood grain piece into little strips to just use for little accent pieces, and the rest of it went in the garbage. I don't care. I'm just trying to use up bits and make use of them, and it just does add that little bit of texture, and I'm really happy with how it's turning out. Yes, Kitty, I know you're there. You want it in. What else did I want to say about this one? Oh, so the title is called The Same, which is right here, but different. And I was trying to make the title not really be a feature. And I am going to add some journaling, probably strip journaling in here, about how walking around outside, we're only like 4 minutes away from where we lived before. So it's basically the same, but it's all different now. And yeah, there's no place like home. I thought that worked well. And yeah, loved it. Love this one. I love them all, to be honest. And then this one is, this was our niece when we had our Christmas. So I used this ribbon, or trim, I guess you call it. It's, I hauled it a little while ago. It's the Sheer Critter ribbon, Snow and Vanilla, and it's from Memory Place. So this one's the white one, and on one side of the tulle, it's silver. The other side is gold. So when I gathered it up, you can see both. And I tucked the title just underneath it because you want to see it, but I didn't want that to be the focus. I wanted the photos to be the focus. So it's all she wants to do is dance. And then I was singing that the whole time to myself. So apologies if that's stuck in your head now, but like I was 2 days and I couldn't get, shoot, now it's back. Oh man. Anyway, this gorgeous paper, I cut it kind of 2/3, 1/3, 2/3, and I trimmed out the edges, like fussy cut it. For some reason, this side ended up showing way more blue. So when it came time to pull out something to add, I added this lace along the edge just to break up the blue. And then I added, and it was from the same card, it's Melissa Francis, but I had like a little piece under there and a little piece under there. And surprisingly, no confetti. Isn't that bizarre? I've got my sparkles there. I've got a lot of the brads. But yeah, so that's, if you're counting, that's two 2-pagers. Kitty, don't you dare. It's a full moon here last night, and this cat, I swear to God, is trying to break me. All right, so I'm just trying to show. So these are basically the same color palette. You can tell that's the same kit. You pull this one out. Does that look like it even came from the same kit? Not really. And then this one sure doesn't, with all the red. And then that one, well, I mean, let's be honest, that's mostly the pocket cards. But I am pretty happy. Today is Tuesday. I think it came, was it Thursday? So I got a lot done over the weekend. It's not like I scrapped all day. I just kind of would come down and do a little bit and then go do my other stuff. And like, I don't think I did anything at all on Saturday. But yeah, I'm loving this kit. So I always get the extra pattern paper, but I got an extra pattern paper this month. So I'm super glad that I did, because I'm going to use it. So anyway, that's it for the Winter Glow Kit. I'm going to link to the Facebook group for Mercy Tiara, and I will also link, I have a couple of giveaways going right now. So there's one on the page building kit for Cheerful for Mercy Tiara, and that's open until the 24th of January to leave a comment for a $25 gift certificate to Mercy Tiara. And then the other one is not Mercy Tiara related at all, but it's a pretty substantial prize just from me, because I like you guys and I wish you guys were able to come over and scrap with me, but this is how we're gonna have to do it. So and then that one's open until February 14th. So I hope you'll go over and give them a look if you haven't already, and leave a comment, and yeah. So that's it for today. Yeah, I appreciate you stopping by and spending some time with me. We will see you again soon. Bye now.